Hello everybody, today we are going to talk about the different type of Copilot, Copilot Pro and Copilot for Microsoft 365. I'm understanding there's a little bit of confusion and sometimes end users don't know which one they are using and why and when use Copilot or Copilot Pro or Copilot 365. So starting from this slide, this picture, I'm going to clarify the main differences. We start from Copilot, the free version, the consumer version. Okay, now we are here and we are talking about Copilot, free version, consumer version, or I prefer to call it Copilot Web. It's easier to understand talking about web experience. First of all, we can start Copilot Web from the Edge browser and only the Edge browser. Better, we can reach the URL also with Chrome, but the experience is much more better in this context. Okay, now we have Copilot Web. What is important to understand also the type of Copilot Web you have. I mean, it's only one Copilot Web, but you can have two different type of experiences. One is with the totally free license app. The other one with the same experience is that one you have when you are using Copilot Web within your enterprise agreement, your business account with Microsoft. In this case, what is relevant is please check if you are signed in with the business account, because in that case, you can see here on the screen, you can have the same type of interaction but with a different capacity. I mean, using Copilot Web without the Copilot 365 subscription, you won't have the latest model as power of the AI power, I would say. Then, in case of the commercial data protection, you can have it without the 365 subscription, but it depends also on the type of contract if you have an account registered with Entra ID. So also in this case, you have differences. What is the commercial data protection? Copilot won't use your prompt and the generated content to train the model, and you will be sure that all the interaction you made will stay in the perimeter of your tenant. Then there's a limitation if you are using Copilot without 365 subscription in the number of the chat, the number of images you can generate, in the type of the number of the characters you can type in, and so on. So please, let's check, and you understand that you are using the commercial version of Copilot Web when you will see this protected label. On the other side, another confusion may be that you can switch easily from web experience and work experience just with this toggle, moving this toggle. What I mean, when you stay in the business experience, we are referring to Copilot 365. But when you are in Copilot 365, if you want to go on in Copilot Web, you can just make this type of switch. So this is one of the differences that we have. Now, Copilot Pro, what we have with Copilot Pro, it's an upgrade of the consumer version. So it's the same model, but you will access to the latest GPT model on one side. On the other, you can use Copilot also in Outlook, Word, Excel, PowerPoint. But what? It's the same of Copilot 365, not for sure. You can use this the most famous Microsoft application if you have the family or the personal Office license. So in this case, you can exploit Copilot also in with this app. Then on the other side, you can build the personal GPT. The GPTs, like we have the same that happens with ChatGPT. So this is the main differences. I have not in license, so I can't share anything on the screen. Last but not least, we have Copilot for Microsoft 365. I would say the most powerful one that you can use across all the Microsoft 365 stack. in Teams, SharePoint, OneDrive, and arriving later this year, and so on. Let's sketch with the differences also in the pricing model for these versions. In case of Copilot for 365, we can say the price is around $30 per month, $20 for Copilot Pro, and free the consumer version. What you have in Copilot 365, everything you had first year, more Copilot in Teams, the grounding thing, so you can make search, get generated content from all whatever you have on your tenant, chat, email, calendars, files in OneDrive, SharePoint, and so on. Then you have a higher layer of protection, so the perimeter of the security is stronger, and finally you have also the possibility of customization with Copilot Studio. We have seen everything. I hope that now you have learned what are the differences and you can opt for one of these Copilot with the right mindset. Thank you. Bye.